Designing for the Apple Vision Pro and for spatial computing requires different tools and skills than designing for standard two-dimensional mobile apps and web apps. And because of this, it requires a new way of thinking about our design process. When we first started designing for Apple Vision Pro, we explored many different options for what a new design process should look like. We experimented with different design tools such as Bezier and Spline, ShapesXR, and of course, Figma. What we found is that while we could get a reasonable approximation using traditional design tools such as Figma, the process was still too slow. In what I'll call a standard design process, we designed a mock-up of a 2D user interaction in Figma, which was relatively easy. Then we'd hand it to our developers who would code it up and then run it on the Xcode simulator. Seeing it in the simulator did not accurately represent the final output as it would be seen on device, which means that, by extension, the Figma design was also not an accurate representation either. We knew we needed to see it on device, which meant our entire team needed to be able to load and run it, including designers. If you're interested to learn more about Apple Vision Pro design and development, we've linked to some resources and tools in the description. In the next video, we'll cover an alternative workflow that we tried, which flips design and development paradigm and increases our speed to market for Apple Vision Pro apps.